Ever since they upload, the post has gone viral with various reactions from all over. Some folks are unsure if they are eating idli or kulfi with sambar or chutney. Looks more like popsicle ice pop being dipped in sambar. I thought to try this out. First I'll show you how I make restaurant style sambar, then I'll be showing you the process of idli on popsicles. So let's do this. In a pressure cooker, add 1 cup soaked tur dal, 1 cup soaked moong dal, goes in 1 cup shallot, choti pyaz, 1 drumstick. To this I am adding 2 cups of water. And now I am going to close the lid and pressure cook for 5 whistles. Add 1 cup ghee in a pan, some fresh curry leaves. To this I am adding 2 chopped tomatoes. Add a teaspoon of salt, adjust as per your taste. Give this a very good mix. And now I am going to cook this tomatoes till it becomes mushy. Add half cup tamarind puree. Add a teaspoon of jaggery. Mix well and cook for 5 minutes. I forgot to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Cook this till oil separates. And now I am going to add cooked tur dal. Give this a nice mix. Add 2 cups of water. Give this a nice mix. And now bring it to boil. Heat 4 tablespoon gingerly oil in a pan, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 large chopped onion. Saute till it becomes translucent. Add half teaspoon hing. Mix this nicely. And now I am going to add 1 tablespoon sambar masala. I am using Everest sambar masala. Give this a nice mix. Now transfer this to boiling tur dal. Some finely chopped coriander leaves. To this I am adding 2 tablespoon ghee. And now close the lid and switch off the flame. Serve this after 15 minutes. Now let's make the idli popsicles. Add 1 glass of water in a large pan. Apply oil on molds. Now place these sticks inside the mold and set aside. Now keep idli plate on top of the water. Place the popsicles mold. Pour idli batter. Close the lid and steam for 10 minutes. Once done, sprinkle some water on top of the idli molds and gently remove idli as directed. Serve this hot idli popsicles with restaurant style sambar. I saw this picture of this idli popsicles. It was viral and innovative, made at some restaurant in Bengaluru, where the rice cake was served on an ice cream stick with sambar and chutney for easy of eating. So this picture grabbed my side, so I thought to try this out. So guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. You can also follow me on Instagram page shimis.kitchen if you would like to brighten up your feed with delicious food ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon so that you will get notification once we post a new recipe. See you next time with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.